Ever dreamt of an AI assistant who could write your marketing copy, brainstorm ideas, and even translate languages on the fly? Well, ChatGPT might seem like that dream come true. But here's the catch. Many businesses are throwing generic prompts at it and getting, well, generic results. The truth is, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for boosting your business, but it needs a little guidance. Let's unlock its true potential. In this video, we'll learn how to craft prompts that get you the results you crave and turn ChatGPT into your secret weapon for success. We've all seen the hype. ChatGPT, the AI that can write anything you need. But before you ditch your copywriter and brainstorming sessions, let's address some common misconceptions. Myth number 1. ChatGPT replaces human creativity entirely. While it can be a great idea sparker, it can't capture your brand's unique voice or understand the nuances of human emotion. Imagine using AI-written copy that reads like a robot trying to sell you socks. Not exactly inspiring, right? Another misconception. ChatGPT can write perfect content without any guidance. It's more like a powerful language assistant. Throw it vague instructions, and you'll get vague results. Think of it like this. If you tell your assistant to, quote, write something creative, you might end up with a grocery list in Shakespearean sonnet form. Not quite what you had in mind. Now, let's talk about the limitations of AI-generated content itself. First, factual inaccuracies. ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset, but it can still mix things up. Don't trust it for sensitive information or complex topics. Second, lack of brand voice and authenticity. Your brand has a unique personality, and AI just can't replicate that. Generic content won't resonate with your audience. Finally, difficulty with complex topics. AI can struggle with nuanced ideas or technical subjects. Don't expect it to write a groundbreaking research paper or solve a complex business challenge. By understanding these limitations, we can move on to using ChatGPT effectively. Spoiler alert. It's all about giving it the right direction. Stay tuned, because in the next section, we'll unlock the secret to crafting powerful prompts that get you the results you deserve. Okay, so ChatGPT isn't a magic content creation machine. But fear not, it can still be a game changer for your business. Here's the key. Think of it as a superpowered productivity booster, not a replacement for your human creativity. Instead of staring at a blank page, use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas and outlines. Stuck on a social media caption? Generate a few creative variations and pick the one that best fits your brand voice. Need to condense a lengthy report for a quick summary? ChatGPT can help you with that too. And hey, it can even translate languages for basic research. Just remember to double-check the accuracy for anything critical. But here's the secret sauce: crafting the perfect prompt. Think of it like giving ChatGPT clear instructions for what you need. A vague prompt like, write a blog post, will get you generic results. Be specific. Provide clear instructions, desired tone, and relevant keywords. The more details you give, the better ChatGPT understands your needs. Don't be afraid to refine your prompts based on the results. It's an iterative process. Start with a good base, see what ChatGPT generates, and adjust your prompt for even better outcomes. By using ChatGPT strategically and crafting powerful prompts, you can unlock its true potential. It can help you save time, overcome writer's block, and generate fresh ideas. Now let's see this prompt magic in action. We'll explore 2 common business scenarios and craft prompts that unlock ChatGPT's full potential. Imagine you run a website about sustainable living. You need some fresh blog post ideas. Here's how a good prompt can help. See how this prompt gives ChatGPT specific instructions? It mentions the target audience, desired tone, and even the content style. Now, ChatGPT has delivered some great ideas. We can choose the most promising ones and build on them. Now, let's say you're launching a new fitness tracker. You need catchy captions for your social media posts. Once again, the prompt provides context, target audience, and desired tone. Don't want to miss out on ChatGPT's latest tricks? Here's the secret sauce. Staying in the loop. OpenAI constantly cooks up new features and upgrades for this powerful tool. By keeping yourself updated, you'll be a master chef, whipping up the most out of ChatGPT. Here's the recipe. Follow OpenAI's announcements, join the conversation in online communities, and connect with other ChatGPT users. You'll unlock a treasure trove of knowledge and insights. This way, you'll be the first to know about any new features, improvements, or secret techniques. Imagine mastering all the cool functionalities, learning the best ways to use it, and even staying on top of any ethical considerations. By staying updated, you'll be the ultimate ChatGPT whisperer, leveraging its full potential as your AI sidekick. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it thrives with human guidance. Instead of expecting magic content creation, focus on using it to streamline workflows and spark your creative fire. With good prompts and a bit of human oversight, you can unlock its potential to generate content ideas, brainstorm social media campaigns, and even summarize lengthy reports. It's all about giving it the right direction. Now it's your turn to experiment. Head over to ChatGPT and see what it can do for your business. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're using this powerful tool. And for even more tips and tricks on using AI for business success, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.